Health Secretary Dr. Osborne Liko explained the ISO 9001 and GMP requirements in response to the Governor's question on the medicine procuring standard requirements.
Basically, the standards of the storage in the warehouse and the distributions, so long as they maintain the potency and efficacy of the medicines. So that's covered in our Medicine Cosmetic Act of 1999 and Regulation 2001. And the Pharmacy Board are given that licensing authority for any companies, pharmaceutical companies, to come to comply with that when the Pharmacy Board, through the chairman, gives that license. The GMP has 8 the categories of that requirement that must meet the standards, from the quality and even the manufacturing equipment to the manpower and to the product before it becomes marketable.
He pointed out that the ISO 9001 standard requirement, which is a crucial accreditation for quality management systems that demonstrates that a drug is safe and effective, is not mandatory by law.
It is the reason why we have Section 21 of the regulations that specifies that once you meet the requirement, the license is given accordingly.
Governor Bird further questioned the confidence of the Health Department in the absence of the ISO 9001 requirements.
We are discussing a lowering of the standard to suit Papua New Guinean companies. Now, again, it's probably better if we ask those companies, but since they work through you and you represent the interest of Papua New Guinea, we are not here. The medical sector is not here to support the growth of companies who are willing to accept lower standards. Let me put it very bluntly. Your primary role is to ensure that Papua New Guineans are getting the best available medicines that, say, an Australian would get or a New Zealander would get. That is your role. Your role is not to develop new businesses.
Dr. Liko clarified, saying suppliers bid through the Medicine and Cosmetics Board, who then issues the license to the one who meets the requirements. He also noted that although medicines are produced in different countries, the manufacturers are all guided by the standard GMP, which ensures quality assurance. Henrietta Yama, NBC National News, Port Moresby.